did a horrible job. Let me just fix this. Before we get hit another car, oh, yeah. Just okay, I'm not straight, but okay. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, well, he said that I should go into the parts and service it. Oh, great. Alright, but anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Might want to fix that real quick. See, I don't know, I just thought this would be like a good idea. So, I'm gonna start repairing the beautiful, well, I'm gonna do the, what is it called again? The maintenance, repair, and help wanted now. Oh, God. Frick, no, it's, no, it's, no. Alright, yeah, oh God. Alright, well, frick. Okay, well, guess, guess I'll start. I'm pretty sure I have to, yeah, I have to take out the eyes first, so let's just, ooh, okay. And, frick. Okay, now we, oh, wait, shoot, now we freaking open up the mask, okay, how do I, frick, I think I left my step stool in the freaking car. Oh, no, where's the freaking step stool? Ah, here's the step stool, I guess. Oh, frick. That's not the step stool. Where is it? This is a step stool, I guess. Let's just. Oh God. Ah. Alright, let's just. Eh. Oh yeah, I think I did enough. No, he Oh, I don't. God damn it! I need to spawn so much things in. Where is it? No, no, no. God. Uh, frick. Let's just, frick. Ah! Sorry, guys. Just looking. So close. Yes, okay, here. Are you serious? There's no, um, can I change the skin of these? Oh, you have red eyes, Bonnie. I think skin 3 would be it. Okay, yeah. Getting Bonnie some brand new life. Um, we'll collide everything. Up and up. Oh. These upside down. Yeah, they were. Mm. Bonnie, why are your eyes so small, mate? Oh, frick! Oh, God. God damn it, this video's a freaking mess. Also, I have freaking things to do later. God damn it. Hi, how did you... No! Okay, I didn't think that this video would take this long. Perfect. Bonnie has some nice old, beautiful, small eyes. Um, there? Sure, I guess. Alright. That's good enough. Frick. Oh! Alright, that's it. What have I made? Alright. No. 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 Bonnie! Frick, gotta hurry before I die. Frick. What have I done to this poor man? Okay. Yep, there goes one eye. Frick. Get out, you stupid. Stupid eye. Oh! Frick. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh. Ah! Pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Oh God, Bonnie. Bonnie, 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 Bonnie. Silly, okay. Oh. No! Okay, Bonnie. Oh God, Bonnie, we're not breakdancing, okay? We are not breakdancing. Okay. Holy frick. Okay. Let's put the left eye in. Now the right eye in. Now. Let's close the mask. Okay. You're good. No. Wasn't this whole point just to freaking tune his guitar in the game? Doesn't make sense, but sure, okay. Bonnie, you freaking mole. Wait. He's not a mole, he's a freaking bunny. What's wrong with me? Frick. Frick, what is this? Bonnie, take it. Take it. Take your guitar. Hold them a bit more later, but I'm really just lazy. Oh no! Oh God, Bonnie, what are you doing to the place? Bonnie, now don't let your arms break. That's not how you frickin'. Why is Bonnie? Why are you being so stupid? Actually, stop being stupid and actually hold the guitar properly. No, that's not how you hold a guitar, mate. No, I'm not British. Just like saying mate, okay? Frick. Uh-oh. That's, Bonnie, that I don't think that's normal. Fine, man. God damn it, just let your arm break. You know? I really... Bonnie. What the heck? Oh, frick. There. Up. To there. There. To there. There. To there. Beautiful. Right? Alright, nope, I'm done. Frick. Where the frick is it? Where the... freaking... No. Oh no, I think I might have just broken the game. Oh god. Oh, no, not a horrible. Freaking... It's just... Just... Freaking... Fuck. No! Let me die!